Hi, how are you? I think now you are okay. Okay. We want to become okay, then only we can study all the things. You know, many changes are happening nowadays. What Lord Buddha told, ready to accept change that will be more benefit for you. Okay. Yesterday we completed, last class we already completed one lesson, India and its neighbors. And I given one homework also. Okay, so that was a very simple lesson. That lesson already finished and you should complete its exercise portion also. Okay, today we are going to discuss a new lesson, physical features of the earth. Physical features of the earth. Physical features of the earth. We know all we are living in the earth. All the living things can possible to live in the earth only. Okay, because in the earth only life is possible. Why? In the earth only air, water and all the other things are available. Okay, and you know one thing, my dear children, the surface of the earth has different kinds of landforms. The surface of the earth has different kinds of landforms. Okay, the earth not same everywhere. The earth is different from one place to another place. That is meant by the surface of the earth has different kinds of landforms. Landforms means a natural feature on the surface of the earth. We can check which are the types of landforms. Which are they? Mountains are there, plateaus, plains, valleys, deltas, desert, coast, peninsula, capes, island and isthmuses. These are the different kinds of landforms we can see in the earth. Okay, now let me check what do you mean by mountains. First of all, we are going to discuss about mountains. Listen, my dear children, the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. It has different kinds of landforms. The first landforms we are going to look, mountains. Mountains. How? We are thinking mountains, very beautiful landforms. Okay, isn't it? Okay. So, mountains are rocky landforms. There is no vegetables and all. Okay, mountains are rocky landforms. Which type of rocky landforms? Is very high above the surroundings of the land. Yes, you know, we can see in the picture and many TV, video or film and all, we can see many types of mountains. Okay. Mountains, it's very high from the surroundings of the land. Okay, and it's a rocky landforms. What is the speciality of mountains? You know, they have steep slopes, steep sides. These steep sides are called slopes. These steep sides are called slopes. And you look, these mountains have pointed tips. These pointed tips are called peaks. Okay, these pointed tips are called peaks. So the mountains are, looking in your textbook also you can see the mountains are pointed tips. It is called peaks. And it has steep sides. It is called slopes. Okay, then the mountains appear one after another. The mountains appear one after another. It's forming a chain. Okay, this chain of mountains are called mountain range. Okay, mountain range. Mountain range. Okay, this forming a chain. One mountain after another one, after another one. Okay, it is forming like a chain. This chain of mountains are called mountain range. Okay, children, today we are discussing the new lesson, physical features of the earth. And there we are studying different types of landforms. And the first of all we are looking, the first one landform is mountain. And we studied the mountain is a high above the land surroundings. Okay, it's a rocky landforms. Okay, and it has a steep sides. These steep sides are called slopes. It has pointed tips. It is called peaks. And sometimes the mountains appear one after another, and it is forming a chain. This chain of mountains are called mountain range. Okay, next, the Himalaya, which is lie in Asia. It is the highest mountain ranges in the world. Which is the highest mountain ranges in the world? Himalaya. It is located in the Asian continent. Okay, this is the highest mountain ranges in the world. Other important mountain ranges in the world are Rockies in North America, Andes in South America, and the Alps in Europe. Okay, these are the things about mountains. And mountain ranges can be young or old based on when and how they are formed. Okay, young mountains also, old mountains also. Young ranges like Himalaya and the Alps have several tall peaks and sharp edges. Old ranges like the Vindhyas and Appalachians are low with rounded tops. Okay, these are the about mountains. And mountains have one more speciality. You know what is that? A pass. A pass. What is meant by pass? Pass means a break or a gap in a mountain. A break or a gap in a mountain range. And these passes provide a path for the people through the steep mountains. Okay, in between the steep mountains there is a gap. So it is providing to the people a path, providing to the people, and it is connecting two countries also. You look at Nathula in North India is a famous pass connecting India and China. Yes, which is that? Nathula in North India. Okay, that is a famous pass connecting India and China. So what do you mean by pass? Pass is a break or a gap in a mountain range. Pass is a gap or a break in a mountain range. And one pass we studied here, Nathula in North India, that is connecting India and China. Okay, next one more thing, some highlands. We studied already a landform which is high above the surrounding of the land. It is called mountains. But you know, some high lands has not as like a mountain. Yeah, some highlands are not high as mountain. Yes, some highlands are not high as a mountain. They are called hills. They are called hills. So what do you mean by hills? Some highlands are not high as a mountain. These highlands are called hills. Hills have gentler slope and more rounded top than mountains. Okay, we studied the mountains have pointed tips, is called peaks. But the hills is not like that. Hills have more rounded tops than mountains. Okay, I am concluding today's session. We studied physical features of India, and there we studied different kinds of landforms. First of all, we studied different kinds of landforms, which are the mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, etc. Okay, later we study one by one. Now we studied only about mountains. Mountains have steep side called slope. It has pointed tips called peaks. And the mountains appearing one after another, forming a chain. That chain of mountains are called mountain range. Okay, and next we studied in between the mountains have some break or a gap that is called pass, that giving path to the people, that is connecting between the countries. Okay, and next we studied all the mountain, all the highlands are not like a mountain. Okay, such type of highlands are called hills. And one of the important thing we studied, Himalaya mountains are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Okay, Himalaya mountains is the highest mountain range in the world. Highest mountain ranges in the world. Okay, so I am concluding today's session. I am giving one homework for you. Okay, if I am not giving homework, you will not take a textbook and you will not remember me also. Okay, so I am giving one homework for you. You should read this textbook and make a short points about mountains. Okay, write what you understand after reading this paragraph. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.